Hey, check Ratchet out. I'll try and go back and get the beginning of the replay so you can see. He was, I think, trying to get around the wall. There's another bot there. I guess you need to see the replay, so hold on. I'll share the replay and go back and just a glitch. Okay, so I can show. Okay, I guess I'll make this a part 5 of the Depths of Aquatron saga. And do a dual purpose vid here. Try to get up to 50 vids and show you all my experience of this event. And I'll try to do it without slacking. Keep as long as I'm cooling down, you know. My main squads, I'm making money here. Coins, I'm saving coins. I can't just sit there and not battle. I need to get my Decepticon account going. Where is it at? Where's this other device? I don't know if I got the tethering Wi-Fi hotspot is on, so let's restart that. The background file, okay. What was I doing? I totally forgot. Oh, showing you. It's not about the event exactly this video. It is about. It's just a glitch. It's about a glitch. Just another glitch in the world. Transformers Earth Wars. I'm going to try to help iron it out and send in a vid, as you should well do too. Record everything, or it didn't happen. That's the motto of the future. Is it like 10 hours of YouTube loaded up every second or something like that? Okay. Watch Ratchet there. See why he glitches up on this. He's healing. He healed him in a second there. Yeah. While he's healing, he gets shocked. Why does he get stuck on that wall? He runs. He's running up there for. Was he running for jump stream? I don't know what he just took off running after he got shocked, I guess. So good luck with that, you guys at Space 8. Hopefully this helps a little bit. So I finish up. Well, you saw what happened, caused the glitch. You can back it up and watch it all you want. So let's skip the rest of that. And I'll check in with the Alliance again so you can follow along. Ooh. The glitch video is glitching out. This is a 2 glitch video. Okay, maybe not. Okay, so 2 glitches at once. Okay. I don't need all that. I need to show you the leaderboard. Oh man, we're slipping. Mayhem. Mayhem, no! I gotta get back to battle. Why am I should have 1,000 points just to wasting time. Okay. Rewards. Oh, we got them all. Leaderboard prize left. Okay. Am I in the top? I'm not in the top 10. I need to get to battle. I'm in the top 20, so I guess I'm okay. But hopefully, my goal is to get in the top 10, finish. But I hope you guys push me down to the last 10, and you all just like score 50,000 points more than me. After I score 50, man, y'all gonna have to score 100,000 points. Or 80,000. I'm gonna get at least 30. Come on, 30 to 50. I gotta go to work today and gonna spend all the money on charges. You know that. What else am I gonna do? Okay. Good luck with the glitch. Well, let's see, where am I at again? 17. Going for 1,000 points. I was going to get 1,000 before I made another vid, but I lost a couple. So I wanted to reboot my system and do something different. And then I saw the glitch, so there you go.